Hi friends, I am going to teach you how to use Ansys in Debian. My version of Debian is Debian 8.8. That's my version. So for starting Ansys, in order to start Ansys, you must go to Activities and open one folder. Then from that you must go to the root space, and here you can find the Ansys working directory. This is Ansys underscore inc. That is the working directory of Ansys. From that you search for two folders. One is a shared folder, the other is V171. V means version, 171 means 17.1 is my version. So open that and search for one folder named as framework. So it's here. Open that folder. Then open this bin folder. Open the Linux folder. Then this is your the starting working directory. So just open a terminal from this place and type /runwb2. Here it goes. It will take some time. But it's quite a bit faster when you compare it with Windows performance. I can show you after starting. So if you start static structural, for example, if you start static structural, the options, that means if you double click engineering data, it's quite fast. You can see it here. If you click this engineering data sources, it's also very fast. It comes very fast. So I'm closing this window. Now I am going to teach you how to model concrete in Ansys. There is no default concrete model for Ansys, because the reason is that concrete, the tension zone and compression zone is entirely different. It can take a lot of compression load but not tension load. So I'm going to model concrete by using command prompt, because we need to incorporate the concrete model by using commands. So in order to start, first I'm going to create the material. There is default material, a concrete material in the general materials. Under the general materials tab you can find a concrete material. Either you can use this or you can create a new one. So if you open, you can find it, concrete is there. In the concrete, let us discuss what are the properties assigned by default. So isotropic secant coefficient, it will account the thermal expansions. That means if you are changing the temperature, if this coefficient is there, it will account the effects of thermal expansion. So I don't need that, we don't need that. I'm going to delete that. Then tensile yield strength, compressive yield strength, tensile ultimate strength, compressive ultimate strength, everything is there. It's for calculating the failure criteria. If you want to calculate the concrete damage, you must go use any of the failure criteria. The most commonly used failure criteria in concrete, that is more column criteria. More column means which will be compared with the tensile stress, will be compared with the tension zone, and first principal maximum principal stress will be compared with the tension zone, and minimum principal stress will be compared with the compressive zone. So we don't need that. We are just modeling the concrete, how it is going to work in this Ansys. So close this one and open the geometry. Actually need a beam to model concrete. My geometry is a beam.